clipper comfort. Help your dog cope with clippers. If your dog gets anxious, agitated, or even feels the need to snap or nip, stop. These behaviours show that your dog's level of discomfort is too high for her to learn right now. I recommend asking a training or behaviour consultant to help you get this right for your dog. Most of us don't have or need canine clippers, but for vet visits where hair needs to be shaved, you can use an old vibrating toothbrush to help your dog get used to the sound and feel of clippers. Here's how I help my dog Etty prepare for the clippers. An old or new battery-powered toothbrush is ideal, and the sound and feel of vibration is similar to clippers. Touch your dog with the back, not the bristles, and the vibration of the handle can be a good starting point if your dog is a little bit too worried. Don't leave the vibrating brush on a hard surface, just hold it so your dog can hear the sound and approach if she's curious. Use tiny soft treats that are easy for your dog to swallow. Choose something that your dog finds really nice, like cheese or sausages.
Good.
Begin with the toothbrush switched off. Reward for approaching or touching the brush.
Good.
Offer the brush to encourage her to touch it.
Good. Oh.
Turn the brush on while you hold it. Then if you're working on carpet, you can place it on the floor.
Good. Yes. Yes.
Don't be stingy with your rewards. Lots of treats when she moves towards or touches the brush. Betty's getting cheese here.
Yes. Good.
So if I push the vibrating brush towards her, that's scary.
Yeah. Good girl. Good girl.
Instead, just let her eat the food, then touch her on the neck as she's eating.
Yeah. Good job. Yes. Good job. Clever Barry.
All she needs to do is eat,
Barry.
as I touch her with a vibrating brush. I'm not asking anything more than that.
Wow. Wow. See, it's easy, isn't it? Good.
She's free to move away because she's not being held and she's not on lead, and this is really important.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, clever.
Touch the
girl.
neck and the legs. Those are the areas where hair is most likely to be clipped. And keep the session short. And always end on a high.
Good work. We're finished. We're finished. Oh, exciting.
Next step is to practice on a table. Unless your dog is an adult large breed type, veterinary staff will clip your dog on a table. If the table surface is slippery or you want to protect it, just place a towel or mat on the table for your dog to stand on. If there's any danger of your dog jumping or falling off the table, ask a helper to stand behind her. Your dog should be able to move away from the toothbrush if she wants without moving off the table. As you can see, Etty is very used to standing still on the table.
Put that.
Feed where the toothbrush is switched on, which is a step back from where the previous session ended.
Oh, good girl.
Then you can run the vibrating brush over the neck and legs, feeding before and during touch.
You are so super good. Oh. Pardon?
You can encourage the head lift, and that's needed for clipping the neck area.
You are such a good girl.
And finally, touch with a vibrating brush and reward after rather than feeding during. So now she's being rewarded for being brave enough to stand still while I'm touching her with a vibrating brush.
Good work. That'll do.
For more hints, tips, and techniques to help with your dog feeling happy, come over to my website, scentwork.com.